With the keywords everywhere extension in Chrome, as you can see over here on the right, it's got a people also ask download. So I typed in my keyword handyman St. Joseph. I need some FAQs. So, and you can see right down here, they generally always show up down here. Well, over here, you can download them. And you say how many levels you want. I always go 3. Otherwise, if you go like 10, it'll take forever and you'll get too many, much more than you'll ever want. And you just click go. And you can see it over here on the left. It's starting to work. And it starts popping these open. And every time you pop one open, more of them will open up, as you can see here. They just keep opening and keep opening. And it just downloaded. I could see it just downloaded. And you'll see when you pop open the Excel file that it downloads, column 1, you've got the questions. How many did it download? 36. And then this shows the parent something or another. I don't care about this. I just delete that. And then the next column, you've got the answers. So here's your FAQ. You've got your questions, answers for that keyword. So you've got a nice selection of FAQs for that keyword that you can put on your website. Really handy. There's probably some other tools out there that do the same thing, but this is extremely handy. And then I'll just, copy these one at a time over into my Yaks is where I'm using it today, the Yaks Cloud Builder. I think Yaks actually has an import on these, so you might be able to configure these in a spreadsheet to just import them all at once. So anyway, that is a quick way to get some FAQs.